Hello everyone and welcome to Matterley Basin in the UK and the biggest motocross event on the calendar. The Monster Energy FIM Motocross of Nations is finally here. We've waited all year for this and it's the climax of the season. Now, the past 4 editions have all been won by the host nation, and we can't forget last year Team France lifting that Chamberlain trophy on home soil in front of a massive, epic home crowd. Will they be able to retain that trophy, and who will get in their way? Now, we have a very busy live schedule this weekend, over 3 days on Facebook, YouTube and MXGP-TV.com. Plus, there's a lot of free content. On Friday, we have the opening press conference, the team press conference, the ballads and the team presentations later on in the day. Saturday, the qualifying races. Sunday, we have the main races where we'll find out which nation will lift that Chamberlain trophy. All live, Facebook, YouTube, MXGP-TV.com. I'll see you guys over a very busy weekend.